Hey everybody, so we're finding the zeros of the quadratic equation here. When we say zeros, we're talking about these four words all mean the same thing. We have zeros, we have x-intercepts, we have roots, and we have solutions. These all mean the same thing when they're asking you to find them for quadratics. So, what we're going to do is, if I look at this quadratic right here, I notice that the 0 isn't by itself. It's not equal to 0. So in order to solve for this, we have to make it equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 5x to both sides, because if I get rid of this, I'll have 0 over here. I'm going to line this 5x up with this like term of negative 4x. And now I'm going to combine my terms. So I have x squared and nothing down here, so I just bring down the x squared. Negative 4x and positive 5x. That is positive 1x, or I can just say plus x. Bring down that minus 20 equals negative 5x and 5x cancel out, so that's 0. Now I have 0 by itself. I'm going to factor this. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to this, and, to add to this and multiply to this. So, what adds up to 1, because that's 1x, and then multiplies to negative 20. Well, I know factors of negative 20. I know I have 4 times 5 gives me 20. If one of them is negative, that gives me negative 20. So negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. And then negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. So my factors are x minus 4, x plus 1 equals 0. This here is my factored form. And now I'm going to use the zero product property to solve for x. So we have x, I'll do this in red, x minus 4 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. And I'm going to do the inverse operation. So I'm going to add 4 here, add 4 here. Boom, boom. X equals 4. Or I'm going to subtract 1 here, subtract 1 here. X equals negative 1. So my solution set is x equals 4 or negative 1.